How to disable ad blocker in Chrome Android. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is posted. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple. Just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. And once you do that, click on the three dots at the top right corner, and after that click on settings. And once you are on this page right here, scroll down to the advanced section, and from there click on site settings. Once you get to this page right here, scroll down to the content section, and here we will be able to disable the ad blocker on our Chrome browser by turning on two options. The first one is the pop-up and redirects. Just click on it, and here you will be able to turn on the pop-ups and redirects option, which will allow them. And the second option is the intrusive ads, so click on it and turn this option on to allow the intrusive ads, and by doing that you have just disabled the ad blocker. So that was it for this video. That's how to turn off the ad blocker on your Chrome browser on Android. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. With that said, see you in the next video.